much. I stripped them down to where there's only parts with words. I'm gonna add it. I have not chosen my cranium or my color scheme. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm gonna wet these up a little bit just to make them a little more pliable so they wrap around and I don't have to fight them like I did last time. Okay, got my coffee. What do you put in your coffee? I got cinnamon, almond milk, Bustelo. Cheers, mini friends that I've made. Yeah, we understand. Okay, I stayed with one color family until I didn't. And we'll see, because I'm pretty excited. Okay, so this is where we've gotten so far. They're still drying, but I wanted to show you anyway. We'll see how it goes. I just glued all that. I just had to wash my hands. Make another delicious beverage. And once these dry, I'm gonna decide on their eyeballs. And I really hope it's not bothering you that I'm moving the camera, but you know what? I'm just learning. I'm a year in and still a rookie, but I really, let me see. The guitar for like an eyeball or something? I don't really know. I got this frog I wanna use for something. I don't really know once again, but hopefully it could be a cute eyeball, right? I don't know, we'll see. Should I make him a guitar head? Hello and good morning. Next day. Who are you? Look at this big fat mass. I just crushed them down, picked them up, and sprinkled them on top of here. I'm gonna put the camera down. Don't worry. Hold on just a second. I'm about to give her a plant head. Due to the fact that I really can't decide what I want this little buddy's head to be, it's like, you know what? I'm just gonna do a video of one of my last mini-verse of this old, and I'll just use this for the weekly upload because I feel like I'm failing. Then I was like, failing? No, but we are creating and we don't know what it's gonna turn out like. So we're gonna incorporate this little buddy right on into the doll. Okay, I've carved out this little tiny space. Matter of fact, I should wipe it down. Wipe me down.
There we go. All I need is a little inch. Skilly. Skilly. Skilly.
You cannot be part of the desk, okay? Okay. There we go. So you know, the lighting will be changing throughout this video. And that's just how we're living right now, because the resin, whatever. The resin, what do you call that thing? Cooker? The resin light has to be plugged in where the light has to be plugged in. I finally got smart and put a trash can over here beside me. Oh, gosh. I thought I had so much faith in you, dude. The whole heck. Thanks anyway. Okay, let's see what it is. Excuse me, sir. We have some resin. Forgot to hit it. Oh, I'm not gonna like it, I can tell. Yeah, boring. Okay, well, that could be something, though. That's a little pretty thing. Okay, little pretty. Come here, my pretty. Oh, at least it's pink. Okay. What in the Tabernacle of Great Saints is this? Oh, a little rockinator? Whoopsie. Is that what that's for, to hold that? Seems about right. Wowzers. Okay. Wish I had a animal involved. We got a little shovel. Oh, wait, what is this? Wait a minute. Whoops, that looks more like it. Oh, and that looks more like that. Hey, if you wanna be somebody, you better wake up and pay attention. I don't even know. Is this really necessary? Okay, let's just see what's up. What in the Tabernacle of Great Saints? You want me to put, are these cherry blossoms or something? Or are they dogwood trees? You want me to put these there? I can't even understand this lifestyle right now. What? That's the big ta-da? Yeah, it's more like a ta-damn. To what? To wowzers. Okay, well, shucks me now. Alright, DK. Okay, let me look at the picture before I drive me crazy. What is all of these things together? Reading rainbow. Okay, let's see if the light is better off here. It might suck and it might be great. Who knows? Oh boy, they really do want me to put all of those onto there. You freakazoids. And then that goes there.
And then that, and those go in it.
Oh, for God's sakes alive. I am... Okay, well... Let's see what we do, guys. Look at this little bitty dinosaur I found. I have another one. What? I'm waiting for my son to stop talking to the cats. Oh, to the video, actually. If you know, you know. So I gotta figure out what I want the eyes to be and what I want the heart to be. What should the heart be? I don't even know what her head is yet. Golly. I even brought this little guy out in case I wanted to include him some type of way, but it doesn't look like it's gonna happen. I hope I'm not mumbling because I looked at my last video and I was like, oh, for the love of words. Thanks for bearing with me. Okay. I was thinking I should make one of the sushis, one of the eyes. Can we calm down? I mean, we could, but, how am I supposed to choose? For the love of cheese.
For the love of cheese or a chili dog, how am I supposed to choose an eyeball to last for all of eternity?
Okay, this is the hair round one, okay? She's drying right now, so I can't really touch her perfectly, but point is, dude, I am not a fan. Not a fan at all. I think this is not gonna work. I think we gotta try again. Yeah. Yuckinator. Okay. Try again. Okay, I made some more here. Now that this is empty, move them all around patiently. Wish me luck. Okay. So pause. I'm watching David, the millionaire house hunter guy. I love him. This is, you know, what came with the garden thing that we opened, so I'm gonna use that as hair glue. So we're gonna start at the bottom. Here, then I gotta get off of the screen so I can focus. Oh boy, is this okay? Okay, let's do a little shorty right here. Okay. Here, the first layer. Oh, don't mind my son, he's crazy in the best ways. And I'll be back when I get to the tippy top. I'll be back when I get to the tippy top. Yeah. He's one of the coolest people on the planet, TBH. Oh, I didn't even think you could see that, could you? Gosh dang, I'm sorry. Well, I'm gonna get better at recording, I super promise, but wow, I'm loving this hair on her. Okay, so you see, I just take this apart, tear it apart again, because I never know. And then I just make the top like this. Oh, I forgot. Alexa, pause. Just like this. That's one. We got another. Yep. And then I just keep on going. There we go. Yes, queen. This is so pretty. Okay. I am so glad that I restarted that hair. What the hair mania. Now for her face. Oh my gosh. With a frog on my chest, oh yes. Well, I hope I can flip it around. Jeez, oh freaking Pete, what just happened? But anyways, you get the point, right? You guys, that little mystery ball with the plants came with a freaking snail. What in the hell? That thing is so cute. Should it be her eyeball? We don't know yet. Ay, ay, ay. Maybe I'll do this one. Yeah, grill. Yeah, You agree with it? I think she's perfect. Yeah, you agree. Yeah, you agree. Okay, I tore the flowers apart from our little package, okay? And I might make it this little dude's hair, and I might not. Look at the head moves a little bit. I might not, and I might, we don't know. So we'll figure that out. I think I will, though. Yeah.
Oh boy, I thought I was recording just now. So picture me using this paintbrush right here-ish and putting it all over my little buddy and making up a clever song while I do it. I will never be able to sing again. But that's okay, you know why? Because it's okay or it's KO. That is why. What? Yes.
Well, okay. Even though I feel like she's so done and she's so perfect, I really want this guitar on her face. I don't even know why exactly, other than why not? You know what I mean? Oh my gosh, I love her to pieces. I love her. This is my little creature. This is my little creature. This is my little creature that I'm working on, and I want to know if I should give her these wings, or these big old wings. I'm like, she already has enough color. Does she need? But it sure does look good. Jeez, oh freaking Pete. Okay, you guys, look at the little family. Wait, I gotta put on a better background. Is that better? Look at this little buddy. Oh, I made her a while ago. And this one I made a while ago, but I just made a little bit of touches to her. Just made a couple of little changes. And we got this little buddy. Oh my gosh. I added an eyeball. I love the comb on his head. Fantastic. Look at this one. Oh, yes, that's a real lizard. Yes, I actually did use focus. I actually did use the frog. Oh, for the love of focus. Let's come over here and see if you. Oh my gosh, you're so cute. Wow. Look at the back. Okay, let's put it up in here. Boom. There you go, little buddy. How do you feel in here? Oh my gosh, I just adore you. What? Looks kind of like a heart. I don't know, I always see a heart when it's not even a heart. Look at this little grill. Then we have her. Oh my gosh. She might be a fave. I've never done this hair before. That was so great. I love the guitar face. I love the weird tears. She is a vibe. I don't have any idea what her name should be. Literally. Should it be Toot Toot? You're my little Toot Toot. And then we have this little buddy. She's not even dry yet, but I didn't mean to work on it so long. I just got carried away. Could it be? I'm getting lost, getting soft, just falling in love. I know I didn't do a good job of standing you up, technically. But you gotta just hang in there. Ooh. Which one's your favorite? I really do want to know. Or none of them. Or all of them. Oh my gosh. And guess what I'm doing next? Triangle bodies with paper. Thanks for watching, guys. I really like it. I really know that I'm not very good at making videos yet, but I thank you for hanging out, sticking around, maybe learning something, or at least getting inspired. It's a lamp I made a while ago. Obviously, it's not on right now, but it's a cutie. Thank you, guys.